Students, we have hands-on activity on page number 39. We are going to write down the following tables, format it and do the calculations where needed, and we will use some functions. First of all, the heading is pre-order. I will select the three columns and I will apply merge and center. I can increase the font size. I have quantity, price, total. This is a table about pre-order of computer hardwares. We have computer hardwares, monitor, keyboard, mouse, keyboard, hard disk, DVD, RW, rewritable. We have quantity, monitor 2, and price is 200. We have price in dollars. For this purpose, we will select the columns and we will click on the currency, format $sign. Mouse quantity 5 and price is $15. Keyboard 5 and price is $15. Hard disk 4 and price is $65. DVD 8, quantity 8 and price is $30 each. And we will do the total, but before we have to format these tables. We also have some functions. Suppose sum function, we will find the average cost, maximum price and minimum price. Now I am going to format this table. I will select the area and I will apply all borders. I can adjust the column width as my requirement. I will select the table, right click on the table, format cell. Basically I am going to text align, alignment. I will click on the center and vertically on the center. My text will be center in the cells. I will apply cell color. It's up to you which color you will use. Now I am going to apply formula for calculations. To make simple calculations, put a equal mark, equal sign, I will multiply D12 to E12. I will apply autofill tool. Same, next I am going to calculate the sum of from E12 to E16. The sum of the price is, I will put a equal mark sum. I will calculate the sum of total. Sum bracket start F12 to F16. Now I am going to calculate average cost. For this purpose, I will put equal sign. I will type the average. I will put starting bracket. I will give a range F12 to F16. Column cell F12 to cell F16. Bracket close. Now I will find the maximum price in total columns. To do this, I will put equal mark max maximum bracket start. I will give a range. I will use I have a maximum of 400 price in total columns. To find out the minimum price, put equal mark min minimum bracket start. I will give a range from cell F12 to cell F16. Now we have a minimum price of $75 in total. Now you can also try this hands-on activity. Page number 39, and this is your homework assignment. Try to do this at your computer systems, and you will use MS Excel program to complete this hands-on activity. Thank you, students.